Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to provide a comprehensive guide how to change a company's name in Pakistan. Whether you are rebuilding a brand or simply updating your company's name, the video will walk into through all the legal process and the requirements. Let's dive into it. Changing a name of a company in Pakistan involves several legal steps to uh, Registrator Companies Act 2017. The process required approval from the Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan and involves submitting a formal application with the proposed new name and the reasons for changing related laws. Companies Act 2017 governs the incorporation, management, and dissolution of companies in Pakistan. Security and Exchange Commission regulation provides detailed guidelines and procedure for changing a company's name. In conclusion, changing the name of company in Pakistan is a structured process and requires careful planning and it's necessary to fulfill all the legal requirements by following the steps outlined by the Security Exchange Commission and all the necessary documentation. You can rebrand your company. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more legal analysis.